Hello everybody, myself Jyoti, and today we are going to study about the emission of delayed neutrons by fission fragments. In the last lecture we have studied about what is nuclear fission. Now here we are going to talk about what are prompt neutrons and delayed neutrons. Now when the fission reaction takes place, then we know that two fission fragments are formed which are having comparable masses, and along with that approximately three neutrons are also emitted. Now these neutrons which are emitted along with the fission fragments, they are emitted within 10 raised to minus 15 seconds. So the neutrons which are emitted immediately after the nuclear fission reaction within 10 raised to minus 15 seconds, they are called as prompt neutrons. And in addition to these prompt neutrons, we have one more set of neutrons which are emitted during the nuclear fission reaction, which are called as delayed neutrons. Now, why delayed neutrons are emitted? Now, see, after the nuclear fission reaction, we have fission fragments which are formed, and the fission fragments, like if you take the example of barium and krypton, they undergo beta decay reaction because they are neutron rich, and to get rid of the excess neutrons, they undergo beta decay reaction. Now, neutrons will be emitted in this kind of a beta decay process if the product nucleus is left in the excited state, and so as to achieve the stability, it will emit beta rays along with neutrons. Now, however, this neutron emission follows the beta decay process of the preceding nucleus, and hence the neutron activity of a sample has the same apparent half-life as the beta activity of the parent nuclide. Now here the kind of neutrons which are emitted during this beta decay process, they are called as delayed neutron emission because they are not emitted immediately after the nuclear fission reaction within 10 raised to minus 15 seconds, but there is a certain delay. So that is how the name is given to them, delayed neutrons. Now, if you talk about how many prompt neutrons are emitted and how many delayed neutrons emitted, then you will come to know the percentage of delayed neutrons. It is very, very less. They are quite small, approximately 0.75%. But still, these delayed neutrons, they are very significant and they are of great advantage because of the delays. Now, in a nuclear reactor, these delayed neutrons, they prevent very rapid changes in neutron density when the condition of the operation is close to critical. So, in the later part of the chapter, we are also going to study nuclear reactor. There we are going to talk about the different stages of the nuclear reactor, like critical, supercritical, and all. So then you will come to know what is the role of this delayed neutrons. So right now just remember that though the percentage of delayed neutrons it is less, they are of great advantage in nuclear reactors so as to control the neutron density. So thank you so much.